This is the incredible moment a Russian helicopter appears to be blown out of the sky by Ukrainian forces. Ukraine's defense ministry shared the footage as they continue to mount a staunch resistance to Russian. Footage shows what is believed to be a Russian Mi-24 Hind helicopter flying over the landscape. And then coming in from the right of the frame, a guided missile, possibly a Stinger, comes flying in towards the chopper. Before it can even launch countermeasure flares, the rocket strikes the helicopter and turns it into a ball of flame. Russian Mi-24 Hind helicopter hurtles through the air before exploding as it crashes into a field. The video is believed to have been taken near Kyiv.